In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the free Chamet mod menu that works on both iOS and Android. This updated method gives you access to all Chamet hacks, including unlimited diamonds and several premium features that normally require payment. As you can see on the screen, the mod menu includes a variety of powerful options, unlimited diamonds, unlocked features, and much more. Before we start, make sure your Chamet app is updated to the latest version. To check this, simply open your App Store or Google Play Store and see if an update is available. If your game is already up to date, you're ready for the next step. Now, all you need to do is scroll down to the pinned comment below. I've placed the direct instructions there on how to download Chamet++ safely and correctly. Just follow the steps in the pinned comment and you'll be good to go. If this method works for you, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!